Hello and welcome to the channel. This episode is a quick review of the Xcartoys number 177 650 police motorcycle in the Jining traffic police colors. Xcartoys is from China. They make mostly 1/64th scale diecast cars. They are one of the few diecast makers that actually make the Chinese manufacturer car models. So they make like a Tank 300, which is kind of a famous SUV here in China. 1/64 scale, like Hot Wheels, those kind of things. It's kind of hard to find true 1/64 scale models. And although this isn't, it's more close than many of, like I said, diecast and Matchbox and those types of things. So it's pretty cool to find this, and it's so tiny. It's so tiny, and that's kind of one of the coolness factor things. So let's take a look at the box. Here you have number 177, and it's a 650 Police Interceptor, ages 14 and up, Xcartoys, and there's some dimensions in millimeters, so you can see it's pretty tiny. The back has the typical stuff, manufacturing information and some websites and social media stuff. 177 on the side, QR code on the back, Xcartoys 177, and again just some child warnings on the top there. So let's get this thing out of the box. It comes in a very interesting packaging. It's I don't know if you can tell on the video, but it's kind of like plastic wrap, which I don't know if for the long term is a good storage solution, but it's pretty cool how it's displayed kind of in its little frame like that. So one thing I noticed, you can pop this open. Kind of difficult, which I guess is good. And it opens right up. And here's the little guy. Now, for example, it's in my hand right there. For being so tiny, it's got excellent detail. Little kickstand, and it rolls, which is super important for me. The colors are pretty cool. Even the decals, like the little tail light, I don't know if you can see in the dark there, but even the little tail light is colored in. So it stands up on its own. It rolls both wheels, which is awesome. And most importantly, it looks cool next to 1/64th scale diecast cars. This is Hot Wheel, one of the premium Hot Wheels, so it looks really good. Yes, just for some scale. So, although it's a little bigger, of course, the scale's not perfect, but it looks much better. A lot of the collectors and customizers in Hot Wheels make their own motorcycles just to make them a little more realistic. So, yeah, it's really, really cool. Again, it's available in China. I'm going to try to get some extras, and if you guys are interested in this kind of thing, let me know in the comments. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. Xcartoys number 177 Police Interceptor 650, and I think there's a few other colors, but this one was the coolest looking. So anyway, there you go, quick review, totally worth it. If you like this video and you're into toys, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thank you, see you in the next one.